Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 16-foot by 48-inch Clearview Prism Frame Pool with filter pump. At 16 feet wide and 48 inches tall, this above-ground pool is great for having friends and family over to cool off. It's easy to assemble and maintain and fits perfectly in your backyard. The 6-person pool is designed with a 360-degree Clearview panoramic window for added visibility and fun. Product benefits. The pool set includes an Intex 1,500-gallon Krystal Clear cartridge filter pump, pool ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. Sturdy metal frame above-ground swimming pool, which is powder-coated for rust resistance with a stylish liner. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.